What is up, everybody? I'm Mr. Man. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk to you guys about Ripple stablecoin, the RLUSD, and I will provide my theory into what it is, how it'll be used, and I'll qualify my statements and my theory with evidence and what I consider proof as well. So I've heard people say that when the RLUSD, real stablecoin, Ripple stablecoin comes out, that they want to use it to move money. I don't think you will have that opportunity to do that. I don't think you and I will have the opportunity to tap into this stablecoin like you think you're going to be able to. I don't think this stablecoin is retail stablecoin. I think it's a wholesale stablecoin. Why? Because Ripple operates in the capacity where their customers are banks, financial institutions, central banks, faster payment systems, right? They don't operate in the world of you and I. So for a wholesale stablecoin, picture it like the JPM coin, JP Morgan's coin, which operates and performs intra-bank settlements or interbank settlements. So it's a mechanism that settles the bank's money movements internally. So for a stablecoin like the RLUSD, it'll operate like JPM stablecoin, and it'll operate alongside XRP, giving XRP stability. So this will be XRP's stabilizing mechanism. The way you have stable coins like Circle and like Circle's offerings, USDC and EURC in Europe, Ripple will have options like that too. RLUSD might be RL Real, RL CNY, RL African Rand, RL Rupee, whatever they call it, I don't know. RL GBP, RL Euro, whatever they want to call it. I don't know, it doesn't really matter. But they'll have it come in as that one coin, RLUSD, go to XRP, come back out as whatever that next RL is, RL Rand, RL CNY, and end up at the bank. The banks are the end customers. Financial institutions are the end customers, not you and I. When we are put in the equation, we are the end customers at that point. But in this equation, we're not the end customers. The banks are, central banks are, faster payment systems, whatever have you, not us. So because the stablecoin will allow or have that stabilizing mechanism, it'll allow the movement of money from here, a stable mechanism, into this XRP, out into a stablecoin. And because this will happen on a continual basis, that volatile cryptocurrency won't be volatile because it'll have that stable value going back and forth on a continual basis with intrabank settlements. Let me prove my point now. Check this out. So here we have a document put out by the BIS in November 2020 called the BIS Working Paper number 905, Stablecoins Risk, Potential and Regulations, drafted by Douglas Arner, Raphael Orr, and John Frost, Monetary and Economic Department. Let's go down to page 9. I'm going to start at the top here where it says, if successful, stablecoins could be a means to simplify and enable novel forms of exchange in the digital economy. For instance, smart contracts could allow for the automation of certain transactions, such as only transferring the funds for a house purchase once an inspection report has been received and confirmed. The financial transfer is thus automated on the basis of certain objective conditions, which trigger payments. The digital payment would be linked to fiat currency and accounts via the stablecoin. Decentralized transactions could enhance the efficiency of wholesale payments and settlement, trade finance, and capital market transactions, according to the FSB in a 2019 document. The JP Morgan payments website here, and this is their JPM coin system. I'm going to read it, and you tell me, does this sound like the RLUSD and XRPL setup, as if this was a test or a pilot for the RLUSD coming out? Because keep in mind, the JPM coin is for intrabank settlements in the JPM ecosystem, which is a bit different than how XRPL is and the RLUSD, because the RLUSD is the stablecoin for its XRPL ecosystem, but not just for Ripple customers, right? So with JPM coin system, you can avoid pre-funding with 24/7 real-time payments, move funds on banking holidays, fund shortfalls, working capital gaps, and other ad hoc transfers. Then we go down to cross-border payments, unlock working capital globally with cross-border payments, and enable new business models. For example, machine-to-machine payments, which is offered via RippleNet, now known as Ripple Payments. There's real-time visibility. We've all seen a dashboard. If you haven't, there are links to see the RippleNet dashboard. You can view transactions and balances in real time to ensure transparency and finality of payments. Advanced payment types. So the use of DVP, delivery versus payment. You have PVP, payment versus payment, and machine-to-machine payments. The JPM coin system uses blockchain deposit accounts, which operates and function as traditional demand deposit accounts, which, as we all know, Ripple plays in the traditional world to allow as an on-ramp into the Web3 digital world. So this function enables the initiation and real-time settlement of payments. And payments can be made to and from that type of account to a mortgage service account or a client money account, similar to Ripple's. I'll keep going on and make my point further. To further my point in terms of RLUSD being a stabilizing mechanism for XRP, which would allow for this form of stablecoin to exist, XRP would then be considered a stablecoin if it had a stabilizing mechanism, according to the BIS. This type of stablecoin is not defined yet. How it operates, where it operates, what it operates with, who can operate it, how it operates, when it operates, where it operates, what jurisdictions it can operate in, and what it does not do, right? These are the undefined characteristics of this type of stablecoin still. So the RLUSD and the other stablecoins that Ripple has or will be the stabilizing mechanism for this architecture or this scheme. So how that looks is liquidity provision. So RLUSD could act as a stable, trusted intermediary for XRP transactions within the banking system. Banks could use RLUSD to facilitate XRP trades and settlements, providing a reliable source of liquidity. So for collateralization, XRP could be partially collateralized by RLUSD, helping to stabilize XRP's value. This could be similar to how some stablecoins are backed by fiat currencies or other assets, right? Other crypto backing other crypto, stablecoins backing other crypto. Bitcoin as the reserve for other crypto, other stablecoins. So then there's arbitrage opportunities. The existence of RLUSD could create arbitrage opportunities between XRP and stablecoins, helping to keep XRP's price more stable. Traders could quickly move between XRP, RLUSD, or any other Ripple's stablecoins to profit from price discrepancies. Institutional adoption. So as an intra-bank stablecoin, the RLUSD could encourage more institutional involvement with XRP, potentially leading to increased stability through larger, more consistent trading volumes. And here's the efficient settlements. So RLUSD could enable faster, more efficient settlements of XRP transactions between banks, reducing counterparty risks and improving overall market stability. To further my point on a wholesale stablecoin, you might ask, what is a wholesale stablecoin? You're aware of what a retail stablecoin is, but let's get into what a wholesale stablecoin is. So a wholesale stablecoin is a type of digital currency designed for use primarily by financial institutions and large corporations rather than retail customers, the you and me of the world. So stability. Like other stablecoins, wholesale stablecoins aim to maintain a stable value, typically pegged to a fiat currency like the US dollar. Does that sound familiar? It's institutionally focused, so they're intended for use in large value transactions between banks, financial institutions, and corporations. The wholesale stablecoins are often used to facilitate faster, more efficient settlement of financial transactions, potentially replacing or complementing existing interbank payment systems. There's a fixed exchange rate, unlike some retail stablecoins that may have slight price fluctuation. Wholesale stablecoins typically maintain a fixed 1-to-1 exchange rate with their pegged currency. Here I am on Ripple's website just to, again, further my point that I'm making here about RLUSD and XRP and how RLUSD will be a stabilizing mechanism for XRP. So transact with confidence using our Ripple USD. So instant payouts and easy fiat to stablecoin on-off ramps worldwide. Okay, so Ripple USD is being designed to maintain a constant value of $1 issued on XRP Ledger and Ethereum. Ripple USD will be fully backed by a segregated reserve of cash and cash equivalents and redeemable 1-for-1 for USD. They're usually fully backed by reserves of the pegged currency or highly liquid assets to ensure stability and redeemability. Regulatory oversight. So, given their potential impact on the financial system, wholesale stablecoins are likely to face significant regulatory scrutiny and requirements. Limited accessibility. So unlike the retail stablecoins that you're aware of, USDC, USDT, BUSD, whatever, access to wholesale stablecoins is typically restricted to authorized institutional participants. So you and me will not be touching RLUSD unless you decide to open up your own bank, follow the regulations, then you can then use RLUSD. All right. Potential for central bank involvement. Some wholesale stablecoin projects may involve collateralizations with an oversight from central banks, blurring the lines with central bank with CBDCs. Blurring the lines of CBDCs. You can also have CBDCs that are collateralized by stablecoins, which are known as stablecoin-backed CBDCs. All right? But these are also just known as stablecoins. That's where the confusion comes in with a wholesale stablecoin and a CBDC collateralized by stablecoins. I do hope you found value in this one. I hope you take this evidence I presented to you and run further with it. Learn from it. Allow this to sit in your head and let it make sense to you or not make sense to you. Come to your own conclusions on further questions as well. I do hope you found value, and I'll see you on the next one.